Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths, chapter number 34, mean and median, exercise 34a. Question number 1 I have already uploaded. This is question number 2. We have to find the mean of, first part is first 8 natural numbers. For this you must be aware that what are natural numbers. Natural numbers, the numbers that starts from 1. So we have to write first 8 na. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the first 8 natural numbers. We have to find mean of it, add all the numbers over number of values. Number of values are 8 and we will add it. So I have add all the numbers, right? When we will add it, we'll get 7, 36 over 8, right? Now we will divide it. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, and we'll get 4 become 40, 8 fives are 40. Beta, you can divide it like this, right? In this way you can divide and we'll get the answer. So mean is 4.5. First 6 even natural numbers. In previous question we have written first 8 natural numbers. Now we have to write even natural numbers. So that are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have to write 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 12. Now we have to find mean. So sum of all the values. So we will add all the numbers over number of values. Number of values are 6. So now we will add it. 22, 20, 32, 42. It's 42 over 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 sevens are 42. So mean is 7. Next is first 5 odd natural numbers. So we have to odd natural numbers, that will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 5 we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, these are the first 5 odd natural numbers, right? Now we will find mean of it by adding all the values and dividing them with the number of values. So we will get 10, 10, 20, 25 over 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So mean is 5. Next question, all prime numbers up to 30, right? All prime numbers. Prime numbers, I have told you already that the prime numbers are the numbers that comes in the table of 1 or in itself. प्राइम नंबर वो होते हैं जो सिर्फ 1 के टेबल में आते हैं या फिर अपने आप के टेबल में आते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 जो है बेटा ये 1 के टेबल में आएगा और 2 के टेबल में ही आएगा, उसके बाद 2 किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता. सो 2 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर. सो वी हैव टू राइट प्राइम नंबर्स अप टू 30 तक. जितने प्राइम नंबर आते हैं वो हम राइट करेंगे, उनका मीन फाइंड करेंगे. सो फर्स्टली वी विल राइट द प्राइम नंबर्स, दैट इज 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 16, 17, 19, 23, 29. Yeah, these are the numbers, prime numbers up to 30. Now we will find its mean. So I have add all the numbers and now I will divide it with number of values. Number of values I have counted them. These are 10. Now after adding, we'll divide it with 10. Sum is 129 divided by 10. So rather than this division in this case, beta, you can just simply apply the decimal. There is 1 0 with 1 ना 1 के साथ एक 0 है. सो नाउ वी कैन अप्लाई द डेसिमल. पीछे से काउंट करना होता है, जितने ज़ीरोस नीचे लगी हुई हैं एक के साथ उतने डिजिट छोड़ के हमने डेसिमल लगाना होता है. 1 0, so we will leave this one digit and now apply decimal here. So this is the required mean. Next is we have to write all prime numbers between 20 and 40. Prime number told you that comes in the table of itself and in the table of 1. Now we will write the prime numbers 23, 29, 31. Now we will find mean. 23 plus 29 plus 31 plus 37. Number of values are 4 divided with 4. When you will add, you will get the answer 120 over 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, and this 0 will come as it is. So the mean of these prime numbers is 30. So that's all about part 2. Thank you.